Good morning, students. This is Rahul, sir. Today we are going to study about the circle. So, in previous class, we have studied what is a circle. In this chapter, at the top here, the definition of a circle is written. You can read this. Circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance, that is radius, from a fixed point center. Okay, so we know that already. Now there can be one line or plenty of line also, that there can be three possible conditions which has a relationship with a circle. Like, one condition is that line can not touch the circle, a line can intersect the circle at two different points, and one special case is that this line can touch this circle only at one point. Okay, so we have to study here all these 3 points. First one is non-intersecting point line. Okay, so non-intersecting line is doesn't have anything special, so we are not going to study much more about this. But the second thing, it has 2 points which is intersecting with the circle, so this line is called secant. Okay, so this line is called secant. And the third point is, this line is touching the circle at only one point. This line is called as tangent. Okay, this line is called as tangent. Now here the tangent definition of the tangent of a circle is given. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersects the circle at only one point. Okay, that means this tangent will touch the circle only at one special point. And one important thing here, that for each point of a circle there will be only one tangent. And please tell me, how many sides a circle has? A circle has infinite sides. So as a circle has infinite sides, so the circle will have infinite tangents on the circle. Okay, now let's move to about the tangent. That the point where this tangent touches the circle is known as point of contact. Okay, and one special theorem we here has that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Okay, that means the tangent is always perpendicular to the line joining the center and the point of contact. Okay, so radius and tangent will always make perpendicular. Now let's move to the exercise. Here first exercise, it says, how many tangent can a circle have? Infinite tangent can possible. A tangent to a circle intersect it in how many points? One point. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant. A circle can have parallel tangent at the most. Now listen, as this diagram which is in your screen, this is one tangent which is shown, and just opposite to this one we can make another tangent here, and these two tangents will be parallel. Okay, so for a particular tangent, for a particular tangent we can make two parallel lines. Okay, so two parallel tangent at a most. Next, the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Now next question, a tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ equal to 12 cm length PQ is. We have to find out the length. Now let's see this. Here this is our question. Now look at this diagram here. The radius of the circle is given 5 centimeter and the length OQ is given 12 centimeter, and as we already know, at point P there is 90 degrees, so we will apply Pythagoras and we can find out PQ. Okay. Next question here is, draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and another is secant to the circle. So this is the circle. This is, so CD will be your tangent because it is touching only at one point, that is R, and there will be AB will be the secant, and this secant is cutting at point P and Q. Okay, so this is how we solve this exercise. Thank you.